What is GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is a neural network machine learning model which is trained using data on the internet to generate any type of text. This sophisticated neural network is used to train large language models, LLMs, to simulate human communication. The model tracks words in a sequence, allowing it to learn both the context and meaning of the language. About GPT-3. GPT-3 is an autoregressive language model that trained on a massive corpus of text data, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships in language and generate coherent, human-like responses to user inputs. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, is a technique used to improve ChatGPT-3's conversational ability by providing feedback from human interactions. ChatGPT-3 is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that has 175 billion parameters, allowing it to perform various language tasks such as text summarization, content creation, code generation, comic and poem generation, and app creation. This was the short introduction of GPT-3. Now we discuss on new advanced version of GPT-4 which introduced on Tuesday, March 14, 2023. GPT-4, everything you need to know. OpenAI, the creator of artificial intelligence-based chatbot ChatGPT, announced the launch of a more powerful version of the technology on Tuesday. The company's co-founder Sam Altman said it was the most capable and aligned model yet, with the ability to use images as well as text. The latest version of ChatGPT, ChatGPT-4, has expanded its capabilities by becoming a multimodal model that can process various data types such as images, text, speech, and numerical data. It uses multiple intelligence processing algorithms that allow it to generate highly accurate and high-performing outputs. With this new update, ChatGPT-4 is no longer confined to just being a language model and can now handle diverse forms of data with ease. It's been a mere 4 months since artificial intelligence company OpenAI unleashed ChatGPT and, not to overstate its importance, changed the world forever. In just 15 short weeks, it has sparked doomsday predictions in global job markets, disrupted education systems and drawn millions of users, from big banks to app developers. But now it's goodbye to ChatGPT and hello ChatGPT-4, an even more powerful tool, sure to send even bigger ripples across the world. So what is GPT-4, how powerful is it, and how can you use it? Here's everything you need to know. What is ChatGPT-4? Let's start with the name. The chat section speaks for itself, a computer interface you can interact with, while GPT-4 is short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4. That means it's the fourth iteration of the OpenAI software that has analyzed vast quantities of information from across the internet in order to determine how to generate human-sounding text and give users detailed responses to questions. GPT-4 is a large multimodal model, accepting image and text inputs, emitting text outputs, that, while less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios, exhibits human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks. For example, it passes a simulated bar exam with a score around the top 10% of test takers. In contrast, GPT-3.5's score was around the bottom 10%. How does ChatGPT-4 differ to its predecessor? OpenAI says it has spent the past 6 months making the new software safer. It claims ChatGPT-4 is more accurate, creative and collaborative than the previous iteration, ChatGPT 3.5, and 40% more likely to produce factual responses. Summarizing context with specifics. During a demonstration of ChatGPT 3.5, the task of summarizing an article with every word starting with the letter G proved to be unsuccessful. However, with the introduction of GPT-4, the model successfully generated the requested output, impressing the user. Combining ideas. With ChatGPT-4, you have the ability to combine ideas from multiple articles by copying and pasting them into the assistant. You can ask the model to find a common theme between the articles, giving you a deeper understanding of the topics. If the output is not satisfactory, you can provide feedback to the model, allowing it to learn and improve its responses in the future. Generating and building with GPT-4. GPT-4 can also be used to build various things. Simply provide the assistant with a prompt, with some details about what you need. For instance, you can ask it to write me a Discord bot. Depending on the role assigned to ChatGPT-4 in the Systems section, such as an AI programming assistant for code generation, the assistant can successfully output what you requested. To ensure the code block generated by the assistant is functional, you can test it. If you come across any errors, you can send the error message to the assistant, and it will provide you with the correct code block. You can continue to direct the assistant until your code works successfully. Mathematical calculations. With ChatGPT-4, solving complex calculations such as taxes and high-level problems has become much easier. By assigning the system as a tax GPT, you can provide context about the problem and the assistant will perform mathematical calculations without the use of a calculator. It's an impressive feat. Visuals. With GPT-4, it is now possible to use images as a source of interaction. An example provided on the GPT-4 website shows the assistant being given an image of various baking ingredients and being asked what can be made with these ingredients. GPT-4 replied, "There are many options for what you can make with these ingredients. Some possibilities include pancakes or waffles, crepes, French toast omelette or frittata, quiche, custard or pudding, cake or cupcakes, muffins or bread, cookies or biscuits." Creativity. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. An example provided on the GPT-4 website: assistant asking a question, explain the plot of Cinderella in a sentence where each word has to begin with the next letter in the alphabet from A to Z, without repeating any letters. GPT-4 responded to the assistant, "A beautiful Cinderella, dwelling eagerly, finally gains happiness, inspiring jealous kin, love magically nurtures opulent prince, quietly rescues, slipper triumphs, uniting very wondrously, xenial youth zealously." Handwriting. ChatGPT-4 has the ability to read and convert handwritten text into digital text. This is especially helpful for deciphering notoriously difficult handwriting, such as that of doctors. With just a snapshot of the handwritten text, ChatGPT-4 can accurately transcribe it into readable digital text. Reasoning capabilities. GPT-4 surpasses ChatGPT in its advanced reasoning capabilities. Check the following example from website. Longer context. GPT-4 has made significant improvements as compared to GPT-3 in terms of its ability to process longer texts up to 25,000 words from the user, while GPT-3 allows only up to 3,000 words. Another impressive feature is that you can send GPT-4 a web link and ask it to interact with the text from that page. This functionality can be useful in creating long-form content and facilitating extended conversations. How can I use ChatGPT-4? Most people can give basic ChatGPT a whirl by signing up with OpenAI here, although restrictions apply in some countries and territories around the world. But the newest version is currently only being offered to ChatGPT Plus subscribers for $20 a month. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know your thoughts. Your support means everything to me and helps me create more great content in the future. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.